Hello, dear children. I welcome you in today's English class where we have already started a strange wrestling match. This is the story of Vijay Singh, who used to be a pahalwan, a wrestler, but his bad habit was to boast. And once he boasted that he did not have any fear with the ghost, though he was scared with, but he said it in front of everybody in the market. So everybody told him, yes, go to Jaisalmer's desert area, meet the ghost. Let's start from here. Almost the entire village turned up that evening to bid farewell to Vijay Singh, who was ready to set out west. Now Vijay Singh was trapped in his own words. He did not want to go to meet ghost, but actually he claimed it in front of everybody. Now he was forced to go to the desert areas of Jaisalmer, where it was confirmed that so many ghosts are found in abundance. So the evening when he was about to depart from his home for meeting ghost, the entire village came there to see him off. Just then, an old woman came forward and thrust a small packet into his hand. And Vijay Singh started walking into the red sunset of the desert. When he was about to leave, one entire village came to meet him. So, one old lady, she thrust something into his hand and something, and then he started for the ghost journey, for meeting with the ghost journey. As he walked, the night deepened because he had already started his journey at evening time. Because evening time is supposed to be the most suitable time for the arrival of ghosts. So when he was going on, suddenly night started. The moon was bright and the stars shone clearly in the Rajasthan sky. So that day the moon was absolutely bright and stars were extremely clear in the Rajasthan sky because Jaisalmer is situated in Rajasthan state, still a few miles short of his destination. Vijay Singh remembered the old woman's packet. Still, some miles were left to reach Jaisalmer, where his destination was there. Vijay Singh now recollected about one packet the old lady gave it to him. He opened it and found nothing but a lump of salt and an egg. When he opened that packet, nothing was there, only one lump of salt was there and one egg was there. The old woman was well known for her eccentricities. The old lady was famous for such eccentricities, meaning some odd behavior. So Vijay Singh took that in this odd, in because she was odd, so maybe in her odd behavior she had sent so. As Vijay Singh stepped into the haunted desert, he heard a voice. Vijay Singh reached to that haunted village, haunted desert. Haunted meaning which is frequently visited by the ghost. So he heard a sound. The sound said, Vijay Singh, Vijay Singh. The sound was calling him by his name. You will get lost in the desert. The sound was telling him that Vijay Singh, you would be getting too lost in the desert. Come this way. I am your friend Natwar. The sound said, I am Natwar, I am your friend, come this side. At once Vijay Singh realized it was not his friend but a ghost. Trying to sound brave, he called back, Where are you, my dear Natwar? Now Vijay Singh realized that it was not his friend Natwar, but he was a ghost. He was very scared, but he tried. He managed to reply back and he said, Where are you, my dear Natwar? It's dark and I cannot see you. Come here and show me the way. Like all good wrestler, Vijay Singh wanted to size up his enemy. See, this last line is very, very important. Now Vijay Singh invited him. He said, I am unable to see you, my dear friend Natwar. Please come. Because Vijay Singh was intelligent wrestler, he did not want to attack on him without knowing his power. He wanted to see him first. So for that Vijay Singh told the ghost, come in front of him so that he could see him. Thank you, dear children.